You're going to get your swiper. I'm going to get No, you're going to get me.
It's kind of dark in this corner.
Come on, swiper.
They have this little corner so that way they can play without the dogs playing with him.
Are you chasing me?
Santa, come sit over here and see if he'll run to you. If you just sit down. No, over here. Look over here.
He's closer over there.
Okay.
Swiper.
Yeah, he's just pretty much like a little puppy.
Now you're gonna chase me.